Hi, Scott Ariel here with Royal LePage Team Realty. Welcome to 254 Christian Street in the charming town of Almonte. This detached, two-story, three-bedroom home sits on a huge 264 by 112 foot lot and features many recent updates, including new carpeting, light fixtures, paint, hardwood flooring, recent windows, roof shingles, and gas furnace. Let's take the tour. I hope you enjoyed your tour of this great home. If you have any questions about this listing, please give me a call at 613-850-4542 or reach me at scott@scottariel.com.